Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a new directory to your GitHub repository. So what is directory? A directory is basically just a folder. So it's as simple as a folder. So what we're going to do is we're just going to follow the steps on how you're going to create a folder on GitHub. So first things first, you're going to head over to github.com and then you're going to choose a repository where you want to add a new directory. Now from this repository, you're just going to click on add file right here, and then from there we're just going to click on create new file. Now from the create new file, we're going to add a name to this file right here. For example, I'm going to name this folder 1, and then from here you're just going to add another slash. So this becomes a parent directory which contains leading or trailing white space. So once we created that slash right there, this automatically became our directory. Now we're going to name the file for this one. So I'm going to name this file1 inside folder 1 and inside the test repository. Now we're just going to type in any contents right here. So this is just going to be like a placeholder. Now once we click on save for this one, you can just remove this and then create a final content or like a true content. Now just going to click on commit changes right here to save this, and then we're going to tap on commit changes once again to confirm, and that's it. That is how you can create a new directory. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.